Good morning, my dear class 9 English version students. Today we are going to start basically our last topics about the cell organelles. Here's the cell organelles. In the previous class we have also explained about the non-membranous cytoplasmic organelles and also the membranous cytoplasmic organelles. Yes, the non-membranous cytoplasmic organelles. In the previous class we have also explained about the cytoskeleton. Here's the ribosome, centrosome, etc. In the membranous cytoplasmic organelles, they are also the very important topics about the board exam. Here's the cytoplasmic organelles we have also select. One is the plastid, second is the mitochondria, third is the Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, and the etc. Today we are going to start our another structure. Here's the another structure is the another name is the brain of cell. Here's the brain of cell. Yes, we have also select today the important topics, nucleus. Now please everyone see the books, and also I have just draw a figure. Here's the figure. First structure is the nucleus and second is the chromosome. First structure is the nucleus or the brain of cell. First structure is the nuclear membrane. Here's the outer layer. There are also the two layers. About the two layers, the nuclear membrane. And second is the nucleopore. Here's the nucleopore. This structure is the nucleopore. And third is the jelly type structure, basically matrix or the jelly type structure. The another name is the nucleoplasm. And the fourth structure is the chromatin reticulum. It's also thin shape structure. Yes, the chromatin reticulum, the step by step they are also finally grow in the chromosome. So the nucleus we have also four structure: nuclear membrane, nucleopore, nucleoplasm, and chromatin reticulum. Here's the chromatin reticulum. It's also very important structure about the hereditary materials. Here's the hereditary materials, my dear students. We have the hereditary materials for structure. One is the chromosome. The another name is the physical basis of heredity. Here's the chromosome. Homo sapiens, we are also 23 pairs of chromosome. So the hereditary or the physical basis of heredity. And second structure, here's the second structure is the DNA and also the RNA. Here's the DNA and RNA is the important topics, and the third and the fourth structure is the gene. So my dear students, we have also select about the nuclear membrane. Just 1 minute, my dear students. Okay, thank you. First, here's the nuclear membrane, nucleopore, nucleoplasm, and chromatin reticulum. Please everyone see the books. I have also explained in details. Here's the first structure is the nucleus. The nucleus is a membrane bound, the prominent organelle found in the eukaryotic cells and that carries chromosomes. So here's the chromatin reticulum, the step by step, it's also grown in the chromosome. And it is roughly round or the spherical in structure. And nucleus is not found in the mature sieve cells and the red blood cells. In the plant cells, the sieve cells, they have no any nucleus, and the animal cells, they have no any red blood cells, no any found the nucleus. So please you will underline these lines. Now, the chromosomes of the nucleus carry the heredity, information of the organisms, and the controls on the activities of a cell. A structured nucleus has the following parts. Again, the chromosome of the nucleus carry the heredity information. Again, I have also repeat the hereditary information, the gene, chromosome, DNA, They are also the another structure hereditary materials. A structured nucleus has the following parts. A. Nuclear membrane. The membrane that encloses the nucleus is called the nuclear membrane. The membrane, here this structure is the membrane. They are also enclosed the structure. The another name is the nuclear membrane. It is a double-layered membrane and is composed of lipids and the proteins. Here they are two structure or two double-layered membrane, and they are also composed protein and lipids. And also short time I have also remind that the LP and also the another name is the lipids and the proteins. In this membrane there are some pores called nucleopores. Yes, this structure is the nucleopores structure. Again, the nuclear membrane controls the transport system from the nucleoplasm to the cytoplasm. So, the nuclear membrane controls the transport system from the nucleoplasm to the cytoplasm. Have you any idea about the nucleoplasm and cytoplasm? They are also divided about their figure and also their working structure, etc. Now, the membrane separates the contents of the nucleus from the cytoplasm. So our first structure is the nuclear membrane. We have also explained and we have also learned what's the meaning of the nuclear membrane. And the second structure, nucleoplasm. Again we have also repeated. First structure is the protoplasm, second is the cytoplasm, and third is the nucleoplasm. Now, the jelly-like fluid involved by the nuclear membrane is called the nucleoplasm. It is similar to the cytoplasm of a cell. It is a viscous fluid which contains nucleic acids, proteins, enzymes, and some other substances dissolved in and mixed with it. So, the nucleoplasm is also jelly-shaped structure, and they also control with the nuclear membrane and also the chromatin structure, chromatin substances. Third structure is the pin-shaped structure. The another name is the nucleolus. This structure is the nucleolus. Now, what's the meaning of the nucleolus? In a nucleus, the round structure attached to a chromosome is called the nucleolus. They are also attached the chromosome or also the chromatin reticulum. The another name is the nucleolus. They are attached with the protein of chromosome which is non-receiver of color. Now, this is composed of RNA and proteins. So, the nucleolus is also composed the RNA. Here structure is the RNA and the another structure is the proteins. And its main function is to store nucleic acid and synthesize protein. Our very important structure is the chromatin reticulum. What's the meaning of the chromatin reticulum? During the resting period of a cell, when cell division does not take place, resting period, yes, interphase. The interphase is the cell division. They have also the interphase and the cytokinesis. Yes, the interphase structure, the another name is the resting period of a cell division. A thread-like reticulate body is found in the nucleoplasm, which is called the chromatin reticulum. So, the chromatin reticulum is the another very important structure for carries the hereditary materials. Chromatin fibers become coiled during cell division and become more condensed. Chromatin reticulum. Here's the chromatin reticulum. Second structure is the chromatid. When is the middle structure is the centromere, and this structure is the fold-shaped structure. The another name is the chromatid. And first structure is chromatin and second is the chromatid when they are divided in the anaphase. This structure is the metaphase and this structure is the anaphase when they are divided the anaphase, finally it's also coil-shaped structure and the condensed type structure. The another name is the chromosome. Chromatin fibers become coiled during cell division and become more condensed, and then they are called chromosomes. Chromosomes carry the units of heredity and pass from generation to generation. The number of chromosomes in a specific species is fixed, yes. When we have also identified the Homo sapiens, here they have also 23 pairs chromosome. When we have also identified the Oryza sativa, the another scientific name is rice. Here they are total chromosomes. We have also count the 11 pairs, not 12 pairs, 11 pairs. When we have also count the pigeon, yes, the pigeon's total chromosome structure, they have also 80 pairs chromosome structure. So it's also carry species to species. Again, I have also explained chromosomes contain gene and thus carry hereditary traits. Now, my dear students, I have just also draw a figure about the chromosome. Here's the chromosome important structure. First structure, this structure is the arm, and this structure is the thin shaped structure. The another name is the secondary constriction. And third is the chromonemata. This structure is the chromonemata or the helix shaped structure. The another name is the chromonemata, and they have also the jelly shaped structure, and another name is the matrix. So my dear students, it's also very important topics today. I have just select about the hereditary materials. Here's the hereditary materials, and another name is the brain of cell. It's also very important topics. Here's the brain of cell. The another name is nucleus. To my dear students, I think that's all today. Goodbye.